I have goosebumps. Very touching piece. I just want to close my eyes and just listen. Because I really like it. I love it! Wow! Hi everyone! I'm back for another reaction video. So if you're new here, my name is Robelyn Novella Geyrozaga, aka Rubes from the Philippines, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe, click the bell for your future notification, and also don't forget to like, comment below, and share. Okay, so for today's video, we have the master guitarist from Indonesia, the one and only Alip Bata. So shout out to all Alipers out there from Philippines to Indonesia and to all around the world. So this song entitled Kiss or Rain, originally by Yiruma. So I don't know exactly what is this song all about, and I never heard this before. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so let's start. So I love the intro of this song. I just wish there is a lyrics here so I can read it. By the way, I will Google it later. So let's continue. What's that? So that was a beautiful melody. I just noticed he's using a device to change the tune. What is that? I have goosebumps. Very touching piece. I just want to close my eyes and just listen. Okay. Talented, super talented, gifted. What else? So amazing guy. Alip. Okay. No lyrics, but the sound is so pure. It's like the guitar singing itself. Wow. So after hearing this song, I really want to search the full lyrics of this song in Google. Because I really like it. I love it! Wow. Alright, so that's the entire performance of Alip Bata, a guitar cover of the song Kiss the Rain, originally by Yiruma. So I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Every single day